Now let's have a look at the sandal raising kit for the Rifton tricycle. The sandal raising kit allows you to accommodate up to 2 centimetres of leg length discrepancy for the user. The kit comes with 2 sandal raising blocks that are 1 centimetre in height, and they have a longer bolt suitable for attaching the sandal raising kit to the sandals. You can use 1 block or 2 blocks. For this demonstration, we are going to use 2 blocks. Firstly, we need to remove the sandal from the pedal on the tricycle. To do that, we need to release the wing knobs on the underneath of the pedal and lift off the sandal like so. Then, to attach the sandal raising kit, we need to position the sandal raising kit over the holes on the standard pedal and then replace the sandal over the sandal raising kit. Insert the longer bolts and then reattach with the wing knobs underneath.